Yo, yo, people. Cody behind the camera.
What the tuck for the W?
You can't see where you are.
Is it working?
No, it already got water in the blue bucket.
Oh, it's close! No way!
Cody, it's very slowly filling with water.
Okay.
Ready? Somebody air horn.
Wait for the horn.
We're out of here.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Do not sit on it.
On the ground.
We're filming! Oh! Wow! Here we
Going
are!
for it, we're racing. Look at behind us. The other boys are behind us. Other way.
Yes, he is.
Let's go. You're staying, Oliver, stand. Come on, Dad, hurry up. Oh, shoot. Holy crap.
Away from the tree, preferably.
No way, perfectly at the tree, the deep end.
Okay, I believe you. Actually, no, I don't.
That way, left, right.
Oh, we almost hit that.
Other way, dude.
We're okay. We're okay.
You're right there.
I'm gonna get you. We lost the sailor. We lost him.
I think you should be disqualified. Yeah. Oh, we're good. We're good. Do not stand in the boat, Seb.
Get down.
Go. Come on. Paddle.
Here we are. We're flooding. And we lost 2 paddles already. Here come the rocks. I don't know how we're gonna make it to Condensery.
We lost our paddle. It just snapped in half.
Can you?
Yeah. Oh, God, it's wrong.
We could have beat them if we had more paddles. Oh, it's taking the water fast. Oh!
Hey, guys, how you doing?
Sorry. So dumb! Watch out! I'm
So much water in your boat.
Steal their paddles! They have one of our paddles! You stole one of our paddles!
I'm gonna go get... That's our paddle.
We got another paddle! We can't do it!
I'll come back.
God! He's on a mission! We're a bathtub! We should have called this the bathtub. Here we are.
How'd it go?
Horrible. One of our paddles broke, and then Oliver dropped one, and... Huh? And then the other one snapped.
How'd you guys do?
We won, obviously,
Easily.
like 5 minutes ahead of everyone else.
Like, wasn't even competition. Day 1 we were winning. Nothing. Like, wasn't even a race, man.
Well, I can't believe how well the canoe's doing.
Yeah.
All my concerns are foolish. I think the key is wrapping everything in plastic.
Everybody listen up. Whoever's doing the boat race, whoever does the coolest trick will get 1 point.
What trick are you doing?
Front flip 360 attempt.
Oh!
Hey, good. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh! Wait, water break.
Are we good?
Oh, yeah!
Guys, I think we all have to get out and run. They're already running.
You guys.
In the bucket, in the bucket. What the fuck? Go, 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 go! Bail! 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 Okay, boys. Go, go, go! Bail, bail, bail! Ah! We go back! Here goes free now. Okay, we gotta win. Alright, you guys gotta bail. Someone's gotta bail. Oh, ow. Oh, ow. Watch. Push. Rock. Go. Ah. Ah. Oh, shoot. Okay. Yeah. At this point, we have a little too much water in our boat. They're hitting each other. Systemic takeover.
Oh, you guys are the ones who cut us out.
Go, Cody, paddle. I am paddling.
Oh, hi.
Oh my God. That team's completely disqualified. Keep bailing. Keep bailing. I'm keeping this thing still. Ow! That was a log.
Okay, you know what? We should get disqualified right now.
Why?
I don't know, it would be funny. Well, no, there's money on the line. Like,
Wait, there is? Yeah.
yeah, at least putting the prize to the winner.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. We're gonna hit the rocks. It's gonna be bumpy. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, ah.
We cracked both our things on that fight, I think.
Bail, bail.
You really said no physical contact.
Keep bailing.
I can't believe they did
Buckets of water into our boat. Bail, bail, bail. Who does that? Psychopath. That too. Psychopath.
Why is the cameraman paddling, the strongest one filming, and the second strongest one bucketing?
If you just film, then I could actually bail and Pan could paddle.
Rocks.
that. Damn it.
That one.
Oh, yeah. Let me see this. Oh, wow. Look at these guys.
Yeah, we got
They broke our boat.
I think that's a little bit of against
And
the
they
rules.
grabbed our boat, and then they pushed us forward, and then they threw a paddle at our teammate, and like
There will be no disqualifications made.
There's only 3
Wait
teams.
a minute.
There's only 3 teams.
Everyone was doing that. Like, did you see Leaf at the start, bro?
What the fuck?
What was I doing?
You have a battery.
Bailing water into our boat.
I never said that wasn't allowed.
What? You never said hitting people in the face wasn't allowed either.
Yeah, physical damage to the boat.
Look at that. That seems a little excessive.
Is the plastic damaged because of us? No, you ripped our boat though. Great. It'll still float. Have a good day.
Challenge number 2.
Holding your breath competition. Whoever can hold it for longest wins.
Let's go find some fish.
1, 2, 3.
I was swimming just now. That's so sad. Couldn't have waited till I was done filming the fish. Come on, Tian. Pull through. Wait, I could go longer. I could have gone longer.
Guys, I think we're gonna switch boats.
You guys
to break it down. Okay, first and last shall be switched.
First and last, you're getting swapped.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
What? What are you making? This team will leave first because they're the crappiest team ever. 30-second head start starting now. 30, 29, 28.
Okay, we gotta move. We only have so long.
Go!
What are you doing, man?
So I can smoke everyone else.
We made it, boys. Small for the camera. Okay, let's go.
We made it to the beach.
We did it.
That's right.
Go ahead.
Finish.
There's 2 more coming.
Let's hear your scale.
Oh, the finish line! Life is but a dream.
The race is over. The grand finale, with in 3rd place, goes to them with 3 points. Now for 2nd place.
Well done.
Yeah, round of applause. Yeah. 2nd place goes to the floaters with 6 points. And last but not least, I mean first,
Whoa.
6 points.
That's completely wrong.
and the winners with 10 points.
You got 6 points.
Yeah, they win the rubber ducky. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Are you the team captain?
Yep.
Nice work.
I feel like it would have been funny if we all said we were the captain in the interview.
I'm the captain, actually.
Yeah.
Why do you say I'm the captain?
Oh, but I'm the captain.
Why do you say,
No, I'm the
captain, my
captain.
captain?
Captain, my cat. Could win with our eyes shut.